Hello everyone and welcome back to SecoCyber. Suppose we have a virtual machine and we find that our drive C is running out of space and we need to add more hard disk capacity. How should we perform this task? If you watch this video carefully, I am going to explain exactly how to do it step by step in a very simple way. Let's dive in. Step 1. Increasing capacity in VMware. First, we go to our VMware vSphere client. Locate your target VM. Here we are using Shopping Baron. Right-click on it and select Unallocated Settings. Under the Virtual Hardware tab, find your Hardware tab. Find your shortly 120 GB. We will change this value to 150 GB. Once done, click OK. You will notice the Reconfigure virtual machine task complete successfully at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Accessing the guest OS. Now that the hardware is updated, we need to tell Windows to use that extra space. Click on Launch Remote Console to open the server window. Log in with your administrator account. It's important to use an admin account to have the permissions needed for disk management. Step 3. Checking the current disk status. Once the desktop is ready, open File Explorer and click on Find this PG. You'll see that the C drive still shows the old size. Don't worry, the space we added is there, but it is currently unallocated. To fix this, right-click on this PG and choose Manage. Step 4. Opening Disk Management. This opens the Server Manager. Go to the top right corner, click Tools, and then select Computer Management. On the left side menu, click on Disk Management. You can now see Disk 0 has 30 GB of black unallocated space right next to your C partition. Step 5. Extending the volume. To merge that space into your drive, right-click on the C partition and select Extend Volume. This starts a simple wizard. Click Next. Keep the default settings to use all available space. Click Next again and then hit Finishing. Your C drive is now successfully expanded. Final verification and outro. If we go back to File Explorer, you can see the local disk now reflects the full 150 GB. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on SecoCyber. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. It really helps me create more content for you. Also, if you'd like to support my work further, please check the description section below for a donation link. Every bit of support is greatly appreciated. Thank you, and see you in the next video.